Hello and thanks for your attention. I just wanted to make a quick video to go over the Android RDP solution that we are now releasing. So we're all really excited as we plot along towards the Android native solution, which is due out by the end of this year. We've had a lot of requests for Android now as Zebra and other manufacturers are starting to push it more and more over the Windows CE devices. So our current solution right now with the Android RDP solution is we took what we've done on the Windows CE devices with our RDP solution and ported it over to Android. So it works a lot, very similar to what we did with the Windows CE device, but I just want to do a quick video to show how that works. So here you're looking at the symbol TC70. The nice thing about going to Android is there's all kinds of devices that are available now. And this one does not have a keyboard, so I thought it'd be a good one to go over. So you see here this Agility Mobile icon. I'm going to go ahead and click that. And so as soon as I click it, it goes right into the RDP connection and logs right in. And so I'm going to actually pull up the keyboard right there on the device and just type in my login. And the enter key will hide the keyboard, so I'll have to go back up here for the password. We'll pick our company and we'll get logged right in. Okay, so once we're in, it's just like the regular Agility Mobile. So let me just do a goods receipt PO real quick and show you what the process would look like on the handheld device. So I'm going to scan an order, scan an item, and here I'm going to do the same thing with the keyboard. I'll pop this up and we're going to type 10 and enter. And we'll just cancel the printing on this one. All right, that's it. So what I wanted to show real briefly too though is how the settings work. So behind the scenes, if I click the back button, we'll go into the settings of the actual form. And so we have the server, which is the RDP server, username, password, confirm password, domain. And then the screen resolution, you have a couple of options here. So WVGA, VGA, 720p, or custom, we can put your own dimensions in there, which would work for a tablet. Speaking of which, if you choose tablet mode, if you have a tablet device, it changes the way that Agility Mobile presents itself, and it's more into a tablet mode. So if you have like some kind of Android tablet you want to use out there for maybe some direct picking, that would be a great solution for it. All right, so I'll just click connect, and it takes me right back over to my session. Once you set the settings, and as I showed you from the beginning, when you launch Agility Mobile each time, it just automatically remotes you right into the Agility Mobile session. All right, that's it. Thanks for your attention and have a great day.